Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how you can create a glass morph effect on your picture with the Canva application. Open your Canva applications right away and wait until it's perfectly open, and you can just go tap into this plus button. You can just pick the purposes of your picture editing. Let's say here I would like to use for Instagram stories, so just tap on Instagram stories so you will get the perfect canvas for it. The next, you just need to add the picture that you want to use. Here you can just upload it into your gallery collections. Let's say I'll let you do it this, and now I just need to fill in everything's on the canvas. Perfect. And the next thing you need to do is just go tap into this effects, tap on it, and there could be several options here. Swipe it into the left side, or tap into this effects, and then there could be a blurry here. Tap into this, and then you just need to go click brush or a whole image first, and then you just need to go at the intensity of it. Or you can also do duplicate this, and then you just need to resize in it again, and then apply the effects on this picture, and then tap the intensity, pick into the specific intensity that you want, and then tap X, and then you already got this type of morph. And the next thing you need to do is just go adding the text here. Like go tap into the blank canvas, click text, click heading, or you can also pick the font combinations that already given by the Canva, and then you're done. So that's the way how you can get the glass morph effects for your picture. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorials.